Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your country on the breaking news application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then tap on the more icon down below, which is the last option. Here click on the first one saying settings, then tap on the first option, change country. Here at this section you can change your country. As you can see, you have a vast variety of options that you can choose from, so all you have to do is simply clicking on the relevant one that you would like to change it for. So as you can see, this function of the application has been updated, and you can change it anytime by repeating the same steps that I have just shown you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.